I'm going to show you how to do more difficult fraction sums, like this one. This is 3/4 plus a half. The problem here is the denominators are different. So whatever you do, don't make this mistake which lots of people do. They do go 3 plus 1, which is 4, and 4 plus 2, which is 6. That's wrong. Don't do that. What you've got to do is decide how big a half is. So here's a half, right? That much is a half. If we change that into quarters, you can see that a half is 2/4. So our sum becomes 3/4 plus 2/4. So that makes 5/4, doesn't it? 3 plus 2 is 5. You only have to add the numerator, not the denominator. 5/4 is what we call a top-heavy fraction. It's more than 1. So 4/4 make 1. So 5/4 is in fact 1 and 1/4. So that's our answer, 1 whole 1 and 1/4. So we found out that 3/4 plus a half equals 1 and 1/4. This time we've got 2 1/4 plus 3 1/8. So we've got two mixed numbers. I'm going to add up the whole numbers first, so that's nice and easy. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So now we're left with the fractions, and we've got to add 1/4 plus 1/8. So our common denominator, the bottom number, is going to be 8, because 8 is the smallest number that's in the 4 times table and the 8 times table. So 1/4 is the same as 2/8, isn't it? So in the fraction we've got 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 5 3/8. So here we've got a subtraction. 3/4 take away 1/8. The first thing to do is to find the common denominator. So it's the smallest number that's in the 4 times table and the 8 times table. And that, of course, is 8, isn't it? So we're going to change the 3/4 into 8ths. So we need to think, how many 4s make 8? Well, that's 2. So we double the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. The 1/8 just stays the same. So our sum has become 6/8 take away 1/8. All we have to do now is take away the 1 from the 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. So our answer is 5/8. 3/4 take away 1/8 equals 5/8. Here's a more difficult subtraction. It's a half take away a third. So to find the common denominator, we think of the smallest number that's in the 2 times table and the 3 times table. So that's 6, isn't it? 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So 6 is our common denominator. So I'm going to change both the fractions, putting 6 at the bottom. So let's think about the half first. To change 2 into 6 we have to multiply by 3. So a half is the same as 3/6. And now a third, to change thirds into 6 we've got to double the denominator. So we also double the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2. So our sum has become 3/6 take away 2/6. So all we have to do is 3 take away 2, which is 1. So our answer is 1/6. A half take away a third is 1/6.